side, fuck clubs, fuck partying, fuck trying to fit in and socialize. Why are you so antisocial? Because I'm trying to get it.
Get back to fucking work. It's time to get back to work. Stop hearing yourself talk. Get off the podcast. Don't be on social media too much. Cut out all the fucking noise. Get back to the fucking mental lab.
It literally just comes down to, why are you doing this? How bad do you want it? What factors are driving you into making this change? As cringy as it sounds, bro, how bad do you want it?
You have to suffer. You have to make that a tattoo on your fucking brain, so when that hard time comes again, you don't forget it. Something in you has to wake up. And usually the only person that can wake it up is you. It's you against you. You against you. And if you misunderstand that, you have a real problem.